Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about the Microsoft Store a couple of weeks ago. One of the numbers that surprised a lot of people is the fact that the Microsoft Store sees 250 million users every month. Well, now Microsoft, in a blog post, has decided to talk about the future of the Microsoft Store that will have deeper integration into Windows, that will have Copilot, and that will also have a new interface that will cater to what you want much more. And also, instead of giving you, when you click on an app and you get a score from, what people think of the app, how good it is, and so on, instead of just looking at the score itself, what it will do is actually look at all of the app itself and make a score based on not just the feedback, but also based on the app itself, the way it reacts, the way it works, and the different options available to it. So this is what it looks like now in our standard Windows computers. But the blog post here, to which I will share the link, shows you some much bigger images, much more detailed way of doing things, including a recommendation space where, deals for you, but also not just deals for you, but recommendations based on what you've actually clicked in the past. Also, when you do a search for an app, you can search for not just an app. You can actually, with Copilot, ask the Microsoft Store, I want an app that can have me take a picture and add videos and make, modifications and whatever you want to ask it. And it's going to actually look at the apps available and give you the best recommendations based on all sorts of different features. So it's going to get faster also, as they're saying here, and everything is going to be faster. One of the things and one of the experiences of the app, of course, is a lot of people are kind of complaining about how sluggish it is. It is at times, even today, when you try to open it, waiting for the apps to appear, waiting for everything to be there. It can sometimes take a little too much time. So these are things that are going to be fixed, and they are going to be changed. So the blog post where Microsoft explains all of this, I will share in the description below. And will that make you want to use the Microsoft Store more? Just a question. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.